Audi South Orlando. If you guys enjoyed the video, and thank you for following me. If you haven't followed me, I want you guys to go down to the bottom, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss future videos. Ironically, yesterday, we thought the event we're going to right now was happening, but in reality, it was today. So now we're heading out, and hopefully today is the right day. Made it to Audi South Orlando, finally. As I said yesterday, me and Bailey thought the event was on a Saturday. We drove all the way here, and when we got here, we realized that it wasn't the day the event was happening. Day 2, attempt number 2, we made it. Crazy selection of cars out here today, man. It's hot as balls. Black wheels, all blacked out. The Modena, quickly becoming one of my favorite McLarens. It has a little bit of mixture of the 720S body style. Back up this car, it looks crazy. 765 LT. Oh, it's 765 LT Spider. Holy shit. Oh, look at that. Look at the seats on this thing. That's beautiful. Got the P1 seats. But yeah, they got quite a lineup in here. This is the GT3 that Matt Armstrong rebuilt. If you guys have been following his progression on the rebuild of this car, I think he sold it to Freddy already, Tavares. This car is so sick, man. We saw the whole rebuild process on his YouTube channel. I've been wanting to meet this guy for like a few months. It's kind of a pity that car's here, but he's still in the UK, but this is amazing, man. I gotta put my roof up really quick, it's raining. Yeah, just gonna get the car soaked, man. Pulled up, roof down. Pretty annoying process.
Do it. Because of the rain.
Sucks about having a 718 Spider.
It wasn't raining like this yesterday.
Thank goodness it didn't start raining really hard. And I'm not the only one caught by surprise here. You got to see it down too. Let's go back and look at Matt's car really quick. I've been wanting to see this car for such a long time. Such a long time. Used to be Adam LZ's car. I really want to get a pair of HRE wheels. The thing is so tight. Roll cage. Yeah, it's pretty humid out here, guys. At least we got a good parking spot this time. We almost got sidetracked. Look at the colors on these cars, man. All German cars, and look at these colors. Look at this. This is pretty cool. Y'all know what it is. Get fuel meals. This new wrap he has on the car is insane, guys. Holy shit. I'm loving the wrap. I am loving the wrap.
That looks good. No, it looks great in that color. It looks really good.
We got Mr. Z06 here. Matthew rear Drive.
Go check out the car.
Go check out his car. Let's go. How are you liking it so far, man?
It's amazing. I just want to floor it. I've only got 120 miles on it, so I haven't even floored it yet.
Those engines are strong enough to...
But just feeling it, like, it's amazing. I only got like 3,000, 4,000 RPM, and you can just feel it once it just go.
GM, guys.
Well, I sold it to the other vet in March.
Give us the beans, Matthew. This is something I almost never do. I'm gonna go ahead and stand on the edge of the street and watch these cars while they're leaving and exiting the car show. Hopefully get some cool runs. People here. What's up, man? Everything good, y'all? Oh. He ain't about it.
Yo, Rabbit!
They're happy as can be with the new Z06. We got Drive Moore's car, Lewis. I didn't even notice there was a 4C over here. Bailey's bored again.
I'm hungry.
And she's hungry. I swear to God, guys, she's like a Tamagotchi. Got my Tamagotchi here. Got the GT2 RS from Falcon Motors. Let's go say hi to B. Let's see how he's liking the new CA06. Mr. Z06 over here.
Coming.
Now, I got a question. That engine cover that you have, like the ready, is that a special edition type thing, or it looks wicked?
And the sound is just unconscious. What they did to this car, even though those look similar, there's subtle differences. When you start it up, you can tell it's a totally different car.
Sounds like a 458, right?
It really does. The downshifts are harder. The harmonics in the exhaust is just exactly where you want it to be.
This thing is clean, bro. Lambo Diaries. New wrap looks sick too. We are living the dream. You know how it is. I brought you guys another banger video. So thank you for watching. Subscribe and stay tuned for more.